Stand up. Can you stand up? You need help? Okay, go. Go. Say bye-bye, Mommy. Okay, let's go back this way now. Come on. Go this way. Go ahead, go. No, 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 no. Go. No, no. Keep going. Go out. No, that way. That way. That up, boy. Keep going. Come on. Go. That up, boy. Don't go up the steps. No. No, Where you going? Hey! Oh! Keep going. Don't eat it. Go up. No, 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 no. No, no. Up. Go up. You don't know how to go down, silly. You never did it down. No. Thank you. Thank you. Go up. Go up to Christopher's room. Let's go see your room. Come on, let's go in your bedroom. Let's go look for Tigger. Where's Tigger? Now you're in Braden's room. Want to see Braden's neat collection that he's got going? Look at that. Yeah, oh, that's his neat collection of snow globes and cars. Thank you. What happened? Say book. Book. That up, boy. Book. But we're not going to stay in here. Come here. Oh, no, no, no. Stand up. I don't want to end the video, so we're going to go in here now. Hold on. Let's show everybody what we did today. Go. Go. Go over there. No, no, no. No, no, no. Come on. Attaboy. We'll shut the door. We'll put the light on. Attaboy. Now let's show everybody what we did. Look what we did. Whee! Oh, bums. Christopher's room. Oh, no, no. Give me that. Thank you. That's not for you. Clap hands. Clap hands. Watch your fingers. Oh. You have to do it from the middle of the drawer. Hold on. Oh! Oh! You got so lucky there. Oh, give your father a heart attack, please. Yeah, pull it and break it. That's it. If you want to dance with tomatoes, if you... Where's Tigger? Where's Tigger? Where is Tigger? Say Tigger. Tigger. Tigger's not in there. No, Tigger's not in there either. Call Tigger. Say Tigger. Look at Daddy. Look here. Oh, you did it. You got it. How did you do that? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. He goes to the wall. This kid's going to be the athlete of the family. Okay. Thank you.